so you're trying to learn how to bodyboard, boogie board, or whatever you call it. I checked out all the other YouTube videos and none of them worked for me. And the reason is, it was professional guys telling me how to get the greatest rip curl of the longest ride or the best style or whatever. I'm not into that crap. I just want to float on top of the wave and ride it in, okay? I don't care if I look cool or whatever. I'm gonna tell you what I learned and how to do it right.
All of you want to learn how to boogie board too, right? Well, I suck until my kids show me how to do it.
Okay, first things, you gotta get the right board. I see a lot of these yahoos out there with these little tiny boards and the guy's 300 pounds. You're not gonna get to ride the wave on a board like that, okay? This is a 42-inch board. This is good for a person up to 185 pounds. That'll work for me, okay? I used to go out there with a little board like this and then wonder why I was sinking and why I couldn't ride it.
Righteous, brah.
Number 2 is timing. And by timing, there's 2 different types of timing. Number 1 is you got to get the right set of waves. A lot of times you'll see big waves coming in and then there'll be a lull, a slow period for maybe 5 minutes, and then the waves pick back up. So go out there, wait for the set of waves to come in, and then those are the ones you're gonna wanna try to ride, okay? If you miss them, just hang out for a couple minutes and they'll be back. Another key thing is you gotta go when there are actual waves coming in, okay? Now, depending on where you are, this will be at different times of the day, but I think for the most part, it's when the tide is coming in. Most of the swell is coming in, it's pushing the waves in. If you go in while the tide is going out, for the most part, all the water energy is going out and it's gonna be kind of sucking the waves out. So go out at the right time.
Cowabunga.
The second type of timing is your timing on getting on the wave. You don't want to get on too late. That's the number 1 thing that I was doing. I kept waiting for the waves to get right on me, and then I was trying to jump on the wave. And I was at the back side of the wave. That's wrong. You got to get on the front side of the wave. You got to get in front of the wave. And then the wave pushes you. So your timing is key. And this is kind of like riding a bike. You might have to practice here, 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 and there, and sooner or later, you're gonna get the timing right.
Gnarly.
All right, number 3 is your position on the board. I used to try, and this is what all the other YouTube videos are saying. They were saying to put this cutout into your waist, and you're gonna hold up here. I was trying that, and I was off the board, and I wasn't floating. I was sinking like a lead balloon, okay? What my daughter showed me, put this cutout right into your thighs, okay? Then lay your body on top of the board, like this. Once I did that, and I put my weight up to the front, then I was able to stay on top of the water. And what you want to do is you want to angle the board down like this. Again, you don't want, if the board's like this, the water is going to flow over top of the board. You got to have your board pushed down so that the water is pushing towards the rear, pushing you. Now, one thing I kept doing is I was pushing the nose down too much. And when I would do that, then I would sink and I would hit the bottom of the sand and I would roll over, okay? You're gonna do that a few times, but sooner or later, you're gonna figure out your timing just right, you're gonna figure out the position on the wave just right, and you're gonna position the board just right at the right angle, and you're gonna be hanging 10 like your good old middle-aged dad.
Totally tubular.
I'm a surfer, I surf! I'm sailing!
Stay tuned for cheesy dad jokes.
You gotta put the board into your thighs. Put your weight on the front of the board. Jump on the front of the wave. Don't point down and head plane into the ground like I usually do. But keep the timing right. Put your weight on the board. You'll be hanging 10. Good dad. All right.
All right, you watched to the end, so here's your reward or your punishment. What do you call a boogie boarder who watches TV? A channel surfer. Ah, okay. What detergent do surfers use to wash their wetsuits? Tide. Yep. Why do surfers eat cold food? Because they hate microwaves. Oh yeah. All right, guys, tell me your surfing experiences down below. Tell me if this video helped you out at all. Smash the like button, share it with a friend. I'll catch you later. See ya.